Welcome to this demo of how to create an investigator profile on the Investigator Databank website, investigatordatabank.org. I'm going to assume you've either started with Search for My Records and have opted in ready to create a profile, or have logged in to your existing account. It's very straightforwardly organized. Where I see a green tick, it means the information is complete, so here I've already given a name and country and city, so those sections are complete. Wherever I see a red spanner, it means there is more information to provide. To expand on any section, I just click on the plus sign, and to compress it back down again, I just click on the minus sign. So I'll click on each of these and provide my information, starting with my site. If I start typing my site, if it's one that's already included on our existing site list, it will appear. For example, Manchester Royal Infirmary. We do try to maintain a comprehensive list, but we don't always get everything 100% right. If your site isn't found, you can email us to have it added. Also, if your site is listed here, but there are errors in the name or address, please do contact us. I can also specify which department I'm in, say neurology. I then click Save Changes, and my red spanner turns to a green tick. You can see here you also have the opportunity to add more than one site if you need to. You can then do the same for your therapeutic specialty. This is a comprehensive drop-down list. I'll select neurology. If you like, you can also specify a subspecialty. Say I'm a specialist on epilepsy. I will just select that and then click Save Changes. Again, if you don't see your specialty in the drop-down list, just contact us. Next is contact information. You can see here that you can't change your email address, and that's because we index by the business email address you provided when you opted in. However, it can be changed if needs be via a message to the support mailbox. And you can add a phone number, mobile number, and fax number. So you can include the country code and then the number in this box here and click Save Changes. Next, it would be study information. Because this is a demo, there aren't any studies on file to be listed here, but if you have worked with any of the member companies, the studies you have participated in would be listed here. If you click this question mark, there's more explanation as to which studies are displayed. However, I can show you a screenshot of what it would look like if you had done a study with any of the member companies. This is an example of the record that would show. You would see the study title, the sponsor and the phase of the study, and also dates relating to your site and enrolment. And you would also see enrolment statistics. Metrics describing enrolment are only shown for completed studies, and you can add a comment to put the enrolment statistics into context, which might be helpful if enrolment in a study was not what had been planned, potentially through no fault of your own. This isn't a free text comment field, but you can choose from a list of possible comments by clicking on Add a Comment and then choosing from any of these options below. I met or exceeded enrolment target, we had delays in startup, the study design changed or recruitment was put on hold, the timelines or targets were not achievable, the site was recruited as a backup or rescue site, or there are other external factors outside your control that affected recruitment. So assuming that I have completed the studies section, you can now add a research area of interest. This helps the sponsors to more closely match your area of interest to one of their protocols. If I continue my example as an epilepsy specialist, I just type epilepsy here and get a number of different options to choose from, and I can choose the one that most closely matches my research interests. All that remains then to complete my investigator profile is to upload the documents requested at the bottom. This will save you time and effort in the long run. Having your CV on file available to all of the sponsors and also a GCP certificate stored in this one place means you won't keep having to provide it. This is done by choosing a file from your computer and uploading it. So you just click Choose File here, which takes you to your computer desktop, and then you click Upload the file, and you do similar for the GCP training certificate. This bar at the top shows you how you have progressed with your profile completion. And that completes this demo of how to create an investigator profile. If you have any questions or encounter any difficulties at all, please just contact us at support@investigatordatabank.org, and we'd be very happy to help.